Hi, I'm Emily Myatt from the National Skills Training Institute and principal of the Pet Stylist Academy. At the National Skills Training Institute, what sets us apart is that all of our trainers and teachers are qualified to teach. We take pride in that all our facilities are compliant under workplace health and safety laws, and we are ensuring that our students are all aware of those laws. A vital skill that we teach is how to administer first aid. This aspect of the training is often overlooked by other training providers, but is vitally important. At the National Skills Training Institute, all of our learning materials, resources and training materials are included in the course cost. There are no hidden fees. As a private RTO, we offer a more boutique way of learning, and our smaller class sizes ensure that you have an independent way of learning. If you'd like more information or you'd like to enrol, go to nsti.edu.au.